In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove the address bar here in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, please proceed here at the start. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please locate for personalization. And here at the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and find for taskbar. The moment you find it, click on it. And here you go, you'll be able to see taskbar items and system tray icons and other tray icons. So here at the taskbar items, you can see they're searched. Just click on the down arrow key aligning to it and go with hide. The moment you've hide it, you need to close the window and there you have it. You have just successfully removed the address bar here in your taskbar in your Windows 11. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.